Hey guys, I'm back with a unboxing video that I was not planning on doing for the rest of this year. I actually didn't want to buy any more designer bags for a long time, but I just couldn't get this bag out of my mind, and I know they're going to be discontinuing it, and I am totally obsessed with it. So I bit the bullet and got a Louis Vuitton bag. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I'm not a diehard Louis Vuitton fan. I actually got rid of all my Louis over the years because I don't like gold hardware and I'm not a fan of brown. I like black with silver hardware, but my collection is missing a Louis, and it was really the shape and the functionality of this bag that I fell in love with. Plus, I just love the way it looks. I just love it. I just couldn't get it out of my head, and I thought, you know what? It's the only Louis Vuitton bag that I'm totally obsessed with, and they're going to be discontinuing it. So I just figured I'll go ahead and get it, and it'll be my only Louis probably for a very, very, very long time. Anyways, I got it at Saks because they actually had it in stock. There was only one. I live in Boston now. Not for long though. But there was only one in stock, and it happened to be, they just got it in yesterday, and it's made in France, which is pretty cool. I don't really buy into that. Like, I don't really care, but I know a lot of people like that. Anyways, I broke the bag when I was bringing it home, but here it is. And if you know me, if you've been following me too, I usually like buying stuff pre-owned because I like a good deal and I like a good bargain and I like to save money. But for my only Louis Vuitton bag that I have right now in my collection, and because of how picky I am, I figured I wanted to get it brand new because it does have the vachetta leather on it, and I am super picky, and it's the only reason why I almost didn't buy it, because I want to make sure that it stays clean and nice, and I know that it can get prone to water stains. So anyways, I bought it brand new because I didn't want to risk buying a pre-owned one and having water stains or any dirt on the handles or on the vachetta leather anywhere. So here it is, my receipt. Like I said, I got it from Saks, and there's Leo right there. Always likes to make an appearance in my videos. I got it from Saks. Oh, I forgot, Louis Vuitton has the magnetic boxes now. So here it is. These boxes are really nice. Louis Vuitton. I'm super excited. Oh, she hooked it. Let me unhook it. Like I said, what I loved about this bag is the shape, the style, the interior, the functionality. So here it is. I got the Montaigne BB, and it does come with a crossbody strap. This is the smallest size. The handles fold in instead of folding out, which I think will protect them more too. So this is it. I believe it's like 11.5 inches down here or something like that. There's the sides. It does have the feet on the bottom, which was a selling point for me. So I have two Michael Kors bags that are shaped like this. One is super cheap. I got it from the outlet, but I don't care. I love it. It doesn't have feet on it. And the other one does have the feet, and I just love the shape. And I used to hate open bags, but for my fast lifestyle, I like to be able to throw my phone in, hear it ring, get in and out fast. So this shape, like this trapezoid shape, the top handle, is my favorite handbag shape. And it kind of looks like the icon, on when you text, the purse icon is the same shape. And anyways, it does come with a crossbody strap, which I'll get to. Anyways, here's the bag. It's so cute. This is the interior. I'll get to all this stuff in a minute. So it's that, it's a burgundy or plum colored microfiber lining. I don't know if you guys can see the color very good. The sun, it's already dark here. And it is made in France. So it has this larger slip pocket here. Oh, it has one of these clochettes, which I'll never use. It has a slip pocket here, and then on this side it has two smaller slip pockets, and then it has this interior compartment where I will keep my wallet for security. It has like this little tab here, so like the zipper has a hole on it, and it actually sticks on this tab here, and then you can put the lock on it. But I don't buy into the lock and all that stuff, so I probably won't even use the lock. And then it has just this little attachment in the middle to close it like that. So here it is. I mean, this thing is okay. It's kind of cute, but I really like it more for the shape of the bag. And I'll show you how it looks. Like, I'm 5'3". I weigh about 120. And I just like to carry it like this. It's so cute. It's like the cutest little handbag. And then the crossbody strap is not adjustable, but it is a good length for me, so I don't mind. My favorite kind of bags are top handles with a crossbody. So the strap also is thinner and then gets wider in the middle and then gets thinner again. So I don't know what the length is on it. I'll do a review or whatever down the road and what can fit. But this is what it looks like crossbody on me. I think it's a really good length. I think it's a good size. It's totally my style. And yeah, like that's it. I don't want to get this video too long, but once I've used this for a little bit, I will go ahead and do a review and what can fit in it if anybody's interested. There aren't a ton of videos on this on YouTube because it's not a it's not like a super popular bag, which is another reason why I like it. So if anybody wants to see a what can fit video, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys.